we had taken up the issue of water supply billing for residential societies and multi-dwelling buildings, wherein we had observed that the number of units that were consumed and the number of units that were billed, means the actual consumption, and the number of units that were billed, there was a vast difference. More number of units were billed on based on the number of flats or number of units in that particular residential complex. So there we observed that the government, the PWD, was charging the societies higher amount, though they had not consumed that much of this units, that much of water. So we made a representation to the PWD through all the different societies, and then we went and met the minister, PWD minister, Nilesh Kabral, and he also agreed that this scheme, not only about charging, he went one step ahead by saying that he will extend the free water scheme of 16 units to even residential societies and complexes, up to that 16 limit. So here what we are trying to convey to the societies and multi-dwelling complexes all over Goa is that there are two things that they have to check whenever they get the bill. Number one is the number of units. When they get a bill, they have to check the number of units that they have consumed and the number of units that they are billed for. If the number of units that they are billed for is more than the actual consumption, then there is a question that they should make a representation. Secondly, when they get the bill, they have to also check if the meter reading is correct, because it is a natural thing. A meter reader can make a mistake. The actual reading may be something, and the reading recorded in the bill may be different, by which your number of units consumed could be higher. Because we have seen all over the last several months, we have observed that people are raising their voice about heavy billing. But first you have to understand why your bill has come high, so that accordingly you can argue with the, make a representation before the concerned department. So these are the things we appeal to all the societies across Goa to check, that is number of units consumed, number of units billed, and the actual meter reading which is recorded in the bill. So this, if they check, then only they can confirm whether their bill is high, on the higher side, or whether it is correct. We also brought to the notice of the Honorable Minister that several of the societies have already paid these high bills. So he has assured that whoever has paid, whichever society or building complex has paid such high bill, then the difference will be adjusted towards the future bills that they may get. So the societies may please verify all these facts and accordingly check whether the proper billing has been issued to them or not.
We also brought to his notice that the commercial water billing rates are also very high. We have showed him on the thing, a bill. Earlier, prior to the notice, we were getting a bill of 250, suppose, per month. Now the same bill is coming to 1,600, 800. So let us see a check. Probably they are doing the same mistake in the commercial billing also. Now, what was told to us by Mr. Mapne, the chief engineer, is that hotels are given benefit of the 16 free units. Now this is lobbying, a clear case of lobbying. Why hotels only? Why not other shops? So I think so. A request is to be made, or the government should understand that all shops should be considered on the same platform. That if the hotels are given 16 units free, other shops owners are also given. I have seen a side shop next to hotel next to me is built much less than my shop. It's having just 2 to 3 users. So we told the minister this. He said to come with a proper chart, and then he'll look into that.